What do you say to Morgan? What do you say to her? Say, come eat, Morgan. Now you're not going to do it because I'm taping you, huh? Tell her to come eat. Tell her to come eat. Come eat, Morgan. Tell her to come eat. Carter. What do we say to Morgan when she gets up? Say, come eat, Morgan. Say, come eat, Morgan. Okay, all right. You need to go night-night. It's nap time. Nap time.
He just said,
oh, Morgan. What?
He just said, come eat.
He said, come eat, Morgan.